Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix JBL speaker not connecting to a Bluetooth. So basically what we'll need to do is turn on your speaker and click on this Bluetooth icon and check if it is going to connect or not. If not, what we'll need to do is hold on this triangle button and plus button for the 10 seconds, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As you can see, it will automatically turn off, and what that means, it means that you did a fully factory reset to your JBL speaker. And now what we'll need to do is turn on your speaker, and basically you'll hear the pinging sound, and I'm going to show you how you can connect to your phone right now. So basically just turn on the Bluetooth, as you can see right here, and now you'll need to wait a little bit and you'll see that now it wants to connect to JBL Charge 4. Click connect, and now it successfully connected. So that's how you fix the issue. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.